Ghana National College has 26 points. We have a very long way to go, 4 more rounds. Round 2. In this round, we have the Prudential Life Speed Race. The speed race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, for every life, for every future. In this round, I'm going to be presenting you with the same question. For an opportunity to answer, you must ring for the question. May I hear your bell, Ghana National? Thank you. Wesley Girls, thank you. And St. Augustine's. If you ring and answer correctly and it's the first attempt at the question, 3 points. If it's the second attempt, 2 points. And if it's the third attempt, 1 point. But you have to be mindful that if you attempt to answer a question and you are unsuccessful, you will lose a precious point. In fact, once you are given an opportunity to answer, you have 3 seconds in which to provide that answer. If you dilly-dally, you start repeating the question, you start saying, we have, madam, any of the things that you use to waste time. At the end of the 3 seconds, you will hear the bell. Once you hear the bell, whatever it is you are saying, that's your answer. And it's likely to fetch the penalty. So please get straight to the point.
Welcome to
just
the stream.
the answer.
Welcome to the stream.
All right? Okay.
Hi.
For questions which require calculations, you have 30 seconds. And for questions which do not require calculations, you have 10 seconds. Best wishes to all 3 schools.
Best wishes.
First set of questions, 10 seconds each. A group of biology students on a field trip came across an organism which they tried to classify as either reptile or amphibian.
Thanks for saying hi.
They agreed that the organism was an amphibian because it possessed a very moist, thin skin, which is a defining characteristic of amphibians. What is the purpose of this defining characteristic? Yes, Darius.
Okay. The purpose of the moist, thin skin of amphibians is to allow easy diffusion of gases over the skin of the amphibians, since they can live in aquatic habitats and hence and terrestrial habitats, and hence it allows for a moist surface for easy diffusion of gases in and out of the amphibian.
Should I be generous?
Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. You want to say hi in the chat? You want to say hi in the chat?
I'm moving on. Yes, Mamia.
The thin and moist nature of the skin of the amphibian allows for the amphibian to undergo cutaneous respiration. That is, gases are able to pass through the skin into the amphibian, and also gases such as carbon dioxide are able to pass out of the body of the amphibian into the atmosphere, thus allowing the amphibian to perform gaseous exchange cutaneously.
Oh, nice.
All right, I'm accepting that one. The reason why I accepted that is because you mentioned respiration, right? What is the purpose of the exchange of gases but to permit for respiration, right?
Yeah.
Biology consultant. Okay. What name is given to a water body that is saltier than fresh? Yes, Darius.
Brackish water.
You are right.
That is actually glass.
Next.
Top 10. Top 10.
State two changes that occur in the human body during acclimatization.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Mami, yeah.
So the human body produces more red blood cells in order to maximize the efficiency of oxygen transportation to all necessary parts of the body. Also, there is an increased heart rate so that more blood would flow to all necessary parts of the body, thus ensuring that all necessary parts of the body have sufficient oxygen.
I am not accepting that.
Welcome to the screen. Welcome to the
No
screen.
one else rang.
Do well to say hi in the chat. I'll give you a shout out. Yeah. Then this. Last time in chat. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't finish. During acclimatization to high altitude.
Yeah, she actually gets right. Yeah. At high altitude. I think that's a easily predictable question. The explanation would have been more difficult, more
All right.
intense, more detailed.
Yes, you see, this is speed race, so everything must be perfect, right?
Exactly.
I was asking for two of them. Your first one was right. Additional red blood cells are produced. Other things that could happen. Number of capillaries increase in muscle tissues. The lungs increase slightly in size. There is a small increase in the size of the right ventricle of the heart, which is the heart chamber that pumps blood to the lungs. So you see, acclimatization is talking about a longer term thing, not just the immediate, which is heart rate increasing. Okay?
Yeah.
So you needed two of these, and you had
The
one.
dress costume
All right.
though. Man.
Next set, 30 seconds. Find the greatest value and the least value of the absolute value of the expression 6 multiplying sign of x minus 5.
You have to be ringing by
Yes,
now.
upon
The least value is 0, and the greatest value is 11.
you are right.
Welcome to the stream. So this is
Next
the
one.
second semi-final contest from last year. The second semi-final contest. Very interesting one actually.
Solve the compound inequality.
Another easy one.
16 less than x squared less than 36.
Ooh.
Yes, Mami, yeah.
X is such that X belongs to the set of all real numbers where
It's buying
4
time. She's
less
buying time.
than X less than 6 or negative 6 less than X less than negative 4.
You are right.
Oh man.
Next one. Solve for x from the equation log to the base 4 of x minus 4 multiplying log to the base x of 4 is equal to 3. Yes, upon.
X is equal to 1 over 4, or X is equal to 256.
You are right.
Welcome to the stream. Live stream.
Next one, 30 seconds. Find Find the nuclear number density of thallium-205.
Okay.
Given that the value of the nuclear charge radius parameter is 1.2 femtometers.
Yeah, this is a difficult one. But then I think you can pull it off, like, getting to the end of 30 seconds. These are the questions, that's the quiz that I can get to the points. Welcome to the live stream. Be sure to like the stream and comment. Say hi in the comment section. Wow, hold on.
Yes.
They're national prize.
7.1 picometers.
That's incorrect.
Yes.
Yes, Alexander.
2.3 times 10 to an exponent of 17 kilogram per meter cubed.
That's incorrect. All
Okay, so
right.
for those who are just new to the stream and those who are not aware,
The answer is
coming on this year.
0.14
and
per
the balloting will be
femtometer
tomorrow. Balloting will be tomorrow. However, the
Next one, 10 seconds.
prelims will start on the
In a
20th
long-haul
to 24th
optical
October.
communication network,
Then the 180 to follow the
optical
26th
pulses
to
representing
28th. So
data
yeah,
packet bits
NSMQ is
are
coming on
observed
this year. We are
broaden
super
with
excited.
transmission distance
Initially, we were
over
almost
a
disappointed
single
actually,
mode
but
optical fiber.
we thank
What
God
is
that
the
yeah, it's coming
principal
on. It's
physical
coming on.
property of optical fiber?
Total internal reflection.
No.
Oh,
Yes, go ahead. Alexander?
Refraction.
No.
no, we wasn't
I
sure.
continue. That gives rise to this observation.
Welcome to the stream.
The right
Say hi
answer
in
is
the chat.
chromatic
I'd like to hear from
dispersion. I
you.
would have accepted dispersion.
I'd like to hear from
10
you. You
seconds.
type hi in the chat.
What is the
You know,
exact value
you have
of
any
the elementary
questions?
charge? Yes.
1.602
Oh, don't sound sure.
by 10 raised to the power negative 19 coulombs.
That's incorrect.
Yeah. Doesn't sound so
That's an approximation. The exact value is 1.602176634 times 10 raised to the power negative 19 coulomb.
That's crazy.
Last
That's
set
like
of questions,
5.7 decimal
30
points.
seconds each.
Okay, last of things for the speed rates.
In the presence of a catalyst, nitrogen monoxide is reduced by hydrogen to nitrogen in a gaseous reaction, forming steam in the process. Given that the molar concentration of each gas is 0.02 mole per decimeter cubed, calculate the equilibrium constant of the reaction, indicating the units.
Yeah, that's a tough one.
Yes, Mamiya.
Listen, 0.50, and the unit is mole to the power of -1, dm to the power of 3.
That's incorrect.
Oh, it's fine.
Yes, Alexander.
5 by 10 to an exponent of 1 mole to the power -1 decimeter to the power 3.
You are right. Give the systematic name of the most stable saturated isomer of the alcohol with molecular formula C5H10O.
Okay.
Yes, Darius.
We have 3.
It's gone. Did anybody else ring? Okay, go ahead, Alexander.
Cyclopentanol.
Again?
Cyclopentanol.
No. So I continue. Formula C5H10O, which cannot be oxidized by potassium dichromate.
All right, so for all who are currently watching the stream, I've just posted a poll in the chat. Do you think the scientific can defend their title this year? So please just go forward, let's go to the chat. Do you think the scientific can
The right
defend their
answer
title
is
this year?
1-methyl cyclobutanol. Last question of the round. Manganese 2 hydroxide is a sparingly soluble salt with solubility product 4.00 times 10 raised to the power -12. A student dissolves a sample of solid manganese hydroxide in water to produce a saturated solution. Calculate the mass of sample that must be dissolved to form 50.0 centimeter cubed saturated solution.
Yeah.
Yes. Asada.
The mass is 4.45 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 1 grams.
That seems correct.
Wow.
I continue. Did anyone else ring? Okay. At 25 degrees Celsius, atomic mass for manganese is 55.0. Yes, upon.
Yeah.
0.445 milligrams.
You're right. And that's the end of the speed race. If A equals 14, B equals 15, C equals 21, the triangle is acute. Ghana cedis. And if you solve even one, you get 1,000 Ghana cedis. The Gold Super Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Gold Good Energy. Thank you, Gold PLC.
The finals of
All right.
last year.
So we are
is the
going to be
riddles. This
solving riddles.
is the riddle.
I will be reading out the
How close
clues.
was this? It
Your
was really close. The
objective
question
is
was
to solve the riddle.
4 points.
For an opportunity to solve a
And
riddle, you
that's
must
what-
ring for it. May I hear your bell, St. Augustine's?
Wow.
Thank you.
I forgot how close it
Your
was already.
skater.
It's crazy.
And yours in Fancy Film School.
But by this point, skater was already out.
If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4
Welcome
points.
to the stream.
On
So
the
there's
third
currently
or
a
any
poll in
clue
the stream.
thereafter, 3
I'm
points.
asking whether Fancy Film
Best
can
wishes,
win-
everyone.
can defend their title this year. So kindly go and vote and say hi in the comments.
First riddle. I am a type of electromagnetic radiation. I am emitted by moving charged particles. I am responsible for the blue.
Ooh,
All right.
get that.
Frederick,
Cherenkov radiation. Cherenkov radiation.
you are right.
That's crazy.
I was reading
Think
the third clue, 3
performs well.
points. Next one.
Look at that for the first one. So much noise.
I am one of the environmental problems that have different effects on different marine plants and animals. I have been called the evil twin of global warming and the other CO2 problem. Together with increased ocean temperatures and oxygen loss, we constitute the deadly trio of climate change pressures on the marine environment. Marine scientists are concerned that I am a threat to sea life and to the cultures that depend on the ocean for their food and livelihood. I am largely the result of loading Earth's atmosphere with large quantities of CO2 produced by vehicles as well as industrial and agricultural processes. Yes, Peter?
Photochemical smog.
No. I continue. I am gradual increase in the acidity of ocean water, caused mainly by human emitted carbon dioxide mixing with the water. So who am I?
At this point, get down.
Yes, Alexander.
Ocean acidosis.
No, that's not the name. Frederick.
You are aquatic carbon sequestration.
No. Anyone?
It's a full
Nobody. The right answer is ocean acidification. Next one. I am a 3-digit number.
No, wow.
I am between 100 and 200.
This is a favorite
The number formed by my first 2 digits is a square. The number, yes. Go ahead, Frederick.
169. 169.
That's incorrect. Did anyone else ring? I continue. The number formed by my last 2 digits is also a square. Yes, Isaac.
164.
Yes. Riddle. Last one. Last one. blue compound commonly found in nature? I am often collected in the Dean Stark apparatus. I have strong absorption bands in the infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum. I am one of Aristotle's elements. I am also known as oxidane, or by my parody name, dihydrogen monoxide. Frederick. Frederick.
You are
Water.
Oh.
Water.
Yes.
See the passion. Oh. Okay, so let's put. Oh. So
It's still
I
at
think
stake.
Panscom had a tiebreaker.
At this stage of competition, if a school solves one riddle in the final round, they get 600 Ghana cedis. A uniform process. Y dx is equal to 0, and the second derivative of y with respect to x is less than 0 at x equals a, then f of secondary school has 53 points.
This is the semi-final.
Round 5.
This ended up in the tie. Gregory Bryce. I think that's the name.
In this round, we have the Golf Super Bonanza.
You interact.
And at stake is this.
Okay, I don't get what she's saying, but
2,400 Ghana cedis will go to a school that solves all 4 riddles.
So this is the final round.
2,000 Ghana cedis will go to the school that solves 3 riddles. 1,200 Ghana cedis goes to a school for solving 2 riddles, and 600 Ghana cedis goes to a school that solves 1 riddle. The Gold Super Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Gold Good Energy.
Yes,
so contestants, we are going to be solving riddles. Yeah. I'll be reading out the clues. When you are ready to solve the riddle, please ring for it. May I hear your bell? Thank you. Yours. Thank you. And yours. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. When you ring, your answer must be ready. I will not wait. Best wishes to all schools.
It was 50-53. The percent was leading with 3 points at this point.
We are a pair of statements. We are closely related logically. A proof for one is a proof for the other. We are always true together or false together. Essentially, we have the same truth values.
Tautology.
No.
Yeah,
I continue.
They were leading with 3 points.
An example is a triangle is equilateral and a triangle is equiangular. So who are we? Yes, Calvin?
Conjunction. Conjunction.
No.
Calvin.
Yes,
Nice
in
try.
Fancy School. Isaac?
So we are the precedent and the antecedent.
No.
Yes. You see, most people got the pitch video.
Does anyone know it?
Yes.
Does anyone know it? This is a very important thing for mathematicians and computer scientists who want to. Okay.
Oh, madam.
The correct answer is logically equivalent statements. Logically equivalent statements.
She just wanted to explain the application and then just.
All right. Next one. I am a physical phenomenon. I am a type of diffraction. I occur when rays leave.
Ooh. Who's that?
Yes, Peter.
Fraunhofer diffraction.
You're right.
So this point, the fun screen is going to set the spot.
I was reading the third clue.
Yeah, third clue,
3
3
points. 3
Wow.
points.
Okay. If you're new to the stream, please like the stream and say hi. I'd like to hear from you. And then
Next
vote as well.
one.
Do you think if fans will be able to defend their title this year? It's a poll
I
going
am
right
a
now.
chemical reaction in organic chemistry. I am typically catalyzed by acids or bases. I avoid water.
Principal?
Yes, Peter?
Hydrolysis.
No. I continue. I avoid water as the presence of water can lead to saponification, particularly when a base is used as catalyst. I am commonly used in the production of biodiesel from vegetable oils or animal fats, and in the manufacture of polyesters. In almost all cases, both my reactants and products are esters and alcohols. I am a chemical process in which an ester is formed from another ester. Who am I?
Yeah, no.
Yes, which of you? Metal.
Alkaline hydrolysis of
An S.
alkanoic acids.
No.
Oh, okay. So this is the third riddle. And at this point, still, both the second and first people has passed. We have been at 53 points each.
Okay, surely you know this one. Yes. Excellent, that's right.
Oh, what's the color? Oh, nice. Wow, look at this. This is seven.
Yes. Yes, so the right answer is transesterification. Last riddle.
So anyone who gets this from preset punishment means the point is at this point. But that be so dense.
I am a medical procedure used primarily to address infertility. I belong to the field of reproductive endocrinology and infertility. I am a collection of medical procedures in which eggs and sperm are removed from an infertile. All right, Isaac.
In vitro fertilization.
No. I continue. From an infertile couple and manipulated in ways that increase the chances of fertilization occurring, such as in vitro fertilization. I am therefore used to aid in achieving pregnancy or conception.
Wait, someone wrong.
Yes, metal.
Artificial insemination.
No. For you.
Welcome to the stream, there's one. Welcome to the stream. Comment in the comment section and say hi.
I am therefore used to aid in achieving pregnancy or conception in individuals who are having difficulty doing so spontaneously. When abbreviated, I spell an essential subject in schools that has endless benefits for children. So who am I? Okay, you want to try again?
Yeah, we're the brilliant guy. We're the brilliant guy.
The right answer is assisted reproductive technology. And you see, when abbreviated, it spells ART. A-R-T, ART. All right, on that note, that's the end of the riddle round.
So you have to go to the tiebreaker. You have to go to the tiebreaker.
At the end of the fifth round,
Wow, they came back.
Osei Tutu Senior High School has 27 points. Infant Supreme School has 53 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 53 points.
Between Infant Supreme and the boys. So at this point, they are having the same score. They both have 53 points apiece. And the points have to be decided by a tiebreaker.
We need to break the tie.
Yes. This is the most intense part of science and maths.
Osei Tutu, you will excuse us, right?
Sorry.
Okay. At this stage of competition, a tie is broken on sudden death basis using a riddle. One riddle. So I'm going to start reading out the clues. First school to ring and answer correctly wins the contest.
Just like that.
Are we clear? All right.
But it's not easy though, it's not easy. Like being in their shoes at this point, wow.
All right, so we begin. I am a specific angular measure. I am measured in radians. My angle is obtained by bisecting the right type of angle.
What's the 5 degrees?
Yes,
So just
Peter.
put 5 degrees in radians.
Okay. Pi
180
on
over 4.
4.
Over 4.
You're right.
That's crazy. Pi on 4. It was nice to have thank you so much for being but you're expecting more life things like this. Like this one, if you try and do this during the this is master's stuff. Thanks for joining. So the country be able to retain their
Before I announce the final score,
62% of people said no.
we have a protest from Presbyterian Boys Secondary School.
That's crazy. All right, so see guys. That was,
according to them, the answer to
nice
the riddle had no unit. Infantipen's answer had no unit. The answer should have a unit.
See, right?
It should be pi over 4 radian. Pi over 4 is a number, not an angular measure, as the clue depicted. Unfortunately for you, the answer is pi over 4.
Too much drama.
This protest is not upheld.
All right.